You so excited, bud?
This is Boston Gentry. He has Duchenne's Muscular Dystrophy. This is Granger Gentry. He does not. Come along as we navigate family life and fun adventures, living with Duchenne's.
Where are we going, guys?
Mountain biking.
We're gonna go fast and do some big jumps.
Yeah. Ow.
No. We can go down some big hills.
Yeah. No. Not too big.
Who's the crazier one, Boston or Granger?
Me. He loves spicy. I do not like spicy.
Who likes the bigger hills?
Me. I'm scared of heights.
We're going to where are we going? We're going to Bear Claw Poppy.
There go, Bobby.
We're gonna go even farther than we went last time. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And yeah, should be fun. What's your guys' favorite part? What's your favorite part of the trail? On the way back? You don't like going up the hill?
I like going up the hill, and I like going down the hill.
No, of course you like going up the hill. Boston, your bike is electric. You don't have to work as hard as we do, huh? Well, that's okay. We don't want to wear your muscles out too much. Whoa, the sun's intense. Are you trying to beat Travis Pastrana? Mr. 99, keep going, you got it. Don't stop. You got it. Yeah. We need to make that helmet fit you a little better, don't we?
Yeah.
This is living with DMD, huh, boss? Make the best of what you got. Good job, Gray. Whoa. You good?
I think on this myself. Let's grab my bike.
You ran into a bush. What happened?
Nothing. I didn't get hurt.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, hop on your bike so we get out of the way. Boston, did you make it up all those hills? Huh?
Yep. Ready?
No problem.
Ready to go? I am.
Scoot your helmet back a little bit so I can see your face.
Ready, Mom and Dad?
You made it up all those hills?
Yeah.
Was it hard?
Did you do good on those hills?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you did.
Good job. You got it, buddy. Yep. Just get rolling, put your feet up. Scoot your helmet back. You got it. And then pedal. Great.
How you doing?
You got it, buddy. Just pedal right through. You got it.
And then you both lose your speed.
Yep.
Okay, show them how to go. Keep going, keep
Okay.
going.
You got it,
Show
Gray.
them the path.
You got it, bud.
Right here.
Vina, stand up. Good job. Keep going. You're doing so good. Woo! Feet on your
Whoa.
pedals. Feet on your pedals. Good job, Ranger. Way to find your pedals.
Whoa.
Keep going, keep going.
You okay? Good. Go ahead, Laurel.
Majority of the top, and then you cross over, and there's multiple places
Keep
to
going,
cross
bud.
over, and then you can come
You got it.
down,
It's not that bad.
and there's lots of blue, green, black. You choose.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. You got it. Put your feet up. Here's your brakes. Pull your back tire up.
Okay, good job.
Down a little.
Right around where?
Right around this part.
Yeah, you can ride around for a minute.
Like, and that was feeling really weird.
Did you see it?
Show your dad.
What is it?
It's a beetle. Do you want to see how big it is? It's as big as a spider.
What do you think of the beetle, boss?
That's cool and big. Don't let it crawl in your shirt.
It won't.
He's like, ooh, this tastes yummy.
How was the ride?
Good job, Eva.
Boston, what do you think of the ride?
Good.
Look at me. What was your favorite part?
Jumping that thing.
The parking lot was your favorite part.
Yeah. Jumping it. It was really cool.
That was
It's
cool.
like I'm standing.
You gotta go mountain biking and swimming. Tired now? You gonna take a nap? You guys gonna get out of the car at least?